Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing chicken pasta in tomato sauce. This quick and easy weekday meal has loads of tomato sauce which is slightly tangy, slightly spicy and a bit sweet. The ingredients are I have taken farfelle pasta, chicken chunks, grated cheese, few fresh herbs, bell peppers, tomato, garlic and white onion for the sauce, and one whole can of tomato again for the sauce, oil for cooking, a little amount of butter, and for seasoning I have taken salt, paprika powder and dried oregano. To start with, let me boil the water. Add salt followed by few drops of olive oil and dip in a bowl full of pasta around 250 gram and cook it as per the packet instructions. To start with preparing the sauce, let me take one sprig of fresh rosemary. I have chopped the onion and tomatoes already. Let me dip in one whole can of peeled tomatoes in a bowl. Heat up around a tablespoon of olive oil in a pot, followed by adding a little amount of butter. To this, I'll be adding crushed garlic, followed by adding freshly chopped rosemary. The kitchen is full of all the amazing aromas already. To this, I'll be adding the white onion and saute it for a minute, followed by adding chopped tomatoes. I have taken 2 large tomatoes. Then I'll be adding the chicken chunks. Mix it and season it with salt as per taste. Then I'll be adding paprika powder and mix and cook till the chicken pieces are tender, followed by adding oregano and bell peppers. I'm using red, yellow and green bell peppers. I'll be mixing it and cooking for around 5 minutes. Then I'll be adding 1 can of peeled tomatoes. To balance the acidity of the tomatoes, it is better to add a pinch or so of sugar. I'll be adding a little amount of water from the pasta. And our sauce looks good and the pasta is cooked, I'll drain out the water and add it to the sauce and mix till the pasta is coated with the sauce. I'm using farfelle pasta today. It goes very well with chicken. And to finish up the dish, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. Tear in some fresh herbs and add it to the pasta pot for that extra zing and aroma. And the pasta is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.